In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a deal in HubSpot. Whether you're managing a single deal or looking to clean up multiple deals at once, I'll guide you through the steps to ensure everything is done seamlessly and efficiently. First, we'll start at the hub of your activities, the Deals section in HubSpot. To get there, navigate to your CRM and select the Deals option. This is where all your current deals are listed, and it's the starting point for the deletion process. If you're currently viewing your deals in the board format, switch over to the table view. This view provides an organized list format that makes it simple to manage multiple deals at once. Next, on this table view, there's a checkbox next to each deal name. This is where you take control. Click the checkbox next to the specific deal you want to delete. If you aim to remove more than one deal, go ahead and select multiple checkboxes. This step is crucial because it's how you tell HubSpot exactly which deals you're ready to say goodbye to. Now that you've selected your deals, it's time to move on to the actual deletion. Look for the Delete button. Depending on your interface setup, this button can either be positioned at the top of the table or maybe nestled within the Actions menu tied to each individual deal record. Clicking this button will initiate the deletion process. But HubSpot doesn't want you to delete these deals accidentally, so you'll be prompted to confirm your choice. A confirmation dialog box will appear where you'll need to input exactly how many records you're about to delete. Once you've double-checked and you're sure about your decision, click Delete once more. This step finalizes your choice, so be absolutely sure before proceeding. Here's an important tip. HubSpot thoughtfully offers a 90-day window to restore any deals you might have deleted. This feature can be a lifesaver if you realize a particular deal was deleted in error. Just remember that for any deletion or restoration action, you need the right permissions. Specifically, ensure you have account access and permissions to add, edit, or delete users and records. Finally, a quick note for those moments when you might already be deep into a specific deal's details. There's no need to navigate back to the main deals list. You have the option to delete a deal directly from within its record using the Actions menu. This makes the process a bit quicker and convenient if you know exactly which deal you want to remove. With these steps, you're all set to efficiently manage your deals in HubSpot. Whether you're tidying up or making room for new opportunities, knowing how to delete deals confidently can streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!